So I want to talk briefly about the derivative as a function. So basically, what's the difference between f prime of a and f prime of x? It can be kind of confusing because the textbook sometimes uses a and sometimes uses x, and it's important to know the difference. So f prime of a represents the slope of the tangent to the curve at a specific point. So this means that a is a constant. So, for example, we might be looking for f prime of 2, which would be the slope of the tangent line at x equals 2, or f prime of 7, the slope of the tangent line at x equals 7. So when we write a, when you see f prime of a is assumed to be a constant. So it is a number. And that's the main difference, because when we write f prime of x, then we're talking about a function. Think of this as the general formula for the slope of the curve at any point on f of x. So when we compute f prime of a, we expect our answer to be a number, because generally we'll be given an a value. But when we compute f prime of x, then our answer is going to be a function, meaning that it's probably going to have x's in it. And it represents this general formula for the slope at any point on the curve. So if we're asked to compute f prime of x formally, then we know we can go back to our old limit definition, and we can do the limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x all divided by h, which will give us that derivative function.